A long-awaited arrival. The first doses of mpox vaccines have reached the DRC. The jabs, manufactured by Denmark's Bavarian Nordic, have come at a time when the DRC has recorded the highest number of mpox cases in Africa. More than 17,000 people have contracted the infectious disease and over 600 others have died since the beginning of this year.
We have got a lot of assistance from the European Union and the Africa CDC to get these vaccines. We expect to receive a total of 200,000 doses by Saturday. We have received 99,000 today. We are now planning to roll them out to the most affected areas.
The vaccines were donated by the European Union, which has been supporting the DRC to tackle disease outbreaks.
It's a pox vaccine and it has been used widely in Europe and in the US without side effects, so it's a very good vaccine, and that's the one we are delivering today.
A new, more infectious strain of mpox that was discovered in eastern DRC earlier this year is reported to be causing the rise in cases in the country.
Now that the vaccines have arrived, health officials will have to step up their education campaigns to convince people to get the jabs, because a lot of misinformation has been circulating on social media about mpox vaccines.
The government has formed a national task force to spread the word about health measures aimed at preventing people from contracting the disease. But the team has been facing serious challenges due to the country's poor road network and an ongoing conflict in the east. The DRC, like most African countries, has been relying on vaccines from foreign manufacturers. But some African leaders plan to change that.
We are also doing the transfer of technology to Africa. That one will start from next year to manufacture this vaccine in Africa. Then we'll increase the volume, will decrease the price.
DRC authorities are working with the World Health Organization and the Africa CDC to start rolling out the vaccines across the country. They plan to start with health workers and people living in areas like Equateur, South Kivu and Sud-Ubangi province that have recorded the highest number of mpox cases. Chris Ochamringa, CGTN, Kinshasa, Democratic Republic of Congo.